Here loud breathing somewhere in my room. I'm typing this RN and I'm scared. Well, I'm not 100% sure it breathing but sound really close to it. I'm laying in my with my pocket knife cause tbh I don't know what is it. But there's a lot of noise outside to but sounds. Too human. Like there's family in the house but it close. And walls are not thin enough to hear breathing. So I don't know what it is but when I heard it my body got tense and I woke up. BTW it une when I started hearing it. But the breathing sound like snoring is but heavy. I DK what to do I might try to find out what is it just to try to sleep without worries. Okay I know where it coming from. It hear it outside. I have a balcony and hear it out there I'm about to go to my mom room to sleep with her to feel safe and go to bed cause I got school tomorrow I will try to update if any news.